Yeah, well, I started my rugby journey when I was in high school. That's when I first started playing rugby. I attended Queen Victoria School. Played from under 14 to under 18. And then got drafted into the HPU program and been there for like 5 years. And then got signed up in Drua last season. Well, one of the challenges I faced was having injuries. Yeah, got a major injury in 2017. Injured my back. And I almost got paralyzed, and that was one of the most challenging times for me. Well, growing up, I didn't really thought about going professionally, playing rugby professionally, and I wanted to be an accountant. But then, just through the HPU program, and it developed me, try to be more professional, and yeah. Well, it started off at high school, because playing in the deans, most of the families and dads, uncles were pushing me to just to go on to rugby. And when I got the opportunity to join the HPU program, goodbye school. Well, one of the main goals for me is personally just to get fitter and faster too, especially after the last season. We've experienced how the Super Rugby competition is like, and always have to better myself, and having good competition with the rest of the boys, the rest of the props, especially having Mesake, Donge, and Hetet, H with the boys, helping, giving us tips. Yeah, for me, one of the major setback was for the first time the Drua was in the Super Rugby competition. I thought personally that I was going to get picked, because having joined the HPU program for 4 years, and yeah, when the squad was announced and I wasn't in it, and that changed my perspective on how to train and better myself, trying to join in the company. Not really down, but I knew I wasn't gonna get picked, and
so you were expecting not to be in the squad?
Yeah, just because that really motivates me was when they had the first season, and I saw how they played in the competition in their first year, which was pretty good, and that motivated me to try and be in the squad. Well, just have to be resilient and always work hard. You'll never know. Everything is in God's time. You might not know it now, but later you'll understand.